So dears, today we will learn about how can we convert the rupees into paise and also paise into rupees. Okay, very simple things. Okay, the previous class we learned the representation of money in both the words and figures. Okay, so this is actually conversion. Okay, conversion of rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Okay, first we are going to convert the rupees into paise. Okay, so just to take an example, we all know that the basically rupees one rupees is how many paise? 100 paise. If you know these things, then other things are very easy one. Okay, so rupees 1 is 100 paise. Then what about rupees 5? To find out rupees 5, what is rupees 5? To convert rupees 5 into paise. Okay, rupees 5 is, to find out that one we just need to multiply with 100. 5 into 100, then what will get? 5 into 100 is what? 500 paise. Okay, so 5 rupees means 500 paise, then 6 rupees 600 paise, 7 rupees 700 paise, like that it goes. Okay, so that is simple thing. And if it is 9 rupees 25 paise, we need to convert all this into what? Paise. So here already this is in paise and this is in rupees. Okay, so this one we need to convert and we need to add this rest of things like that we learned in the measurements. Okay, that chapter we learned the addition of length, like that. The same method we are using. The sign is different. Here rupees, there is kilometer, meter, like that things. Here this rupees. So here we have to convert rupees 9 and add 25. So rupees 9 means what? 9 into 100 plus what? 25. What is 9 into 100? 900 plus 25. Then what is the answer? 925 paise. Simply 925, isn't it? Rupees 925. So you'll get a 925 paise. Okay, so this is the way of converting rupees and rupees into paise. Okay, one more example, rupees 25 and 39 paise. Okay, so this one we need to convert. Okay, so I just represent like that way. In your textbook it is given like this way, 25 rupees. This way also if you are writing same. Okay, or just to put the symbol also. Okay, 25 rupees 39 paise. Okay, if it is like the same way, 25 rupees means 25 into 100 plus 39. So what will be the answer? 25 2500. Okay, 2500 plus 39. Okay, so 2, what is the 2539? We will get 2539 paise. Okay, just to multiply with 100 and add the remaining paise. This is already in paise, that's why we are not converting. Okay, this one we need to convert into paise. When we convert 25 rupees, we will get a 2500 plus 39. So 2500 plus 39 is what? 2539 paise. Okay, so this is the conversion of rupees into paise. Okay, what is the opposite? That means we have to convert a paise into rupees. Paise into rupees. Okay, so but we have to do it. It's just I am writing an example. 220, just taking symbol. Okay, 200 paise. 200 paise I need to convert. So to convert rupees into paise we multiplied. Here to convert the paise into rupees we need to divide with what? 100. Okay, so 200 divided by 100. Okay, how many hundreds make 200? That means 2 hundreds. Okay, so we'll get a 200, then 0 0 0, like that we got the answer. Okay, so this is this kind of things may be difficult. Dividing with 100, actually division with 100, it is we have to know that when we divide a number we will get so divided by 100. What will happen is that I told you we will get rupees 2, isn't it? 2 rupees we will get this one simple method is there. Okay, so this is 200 paise. If like that 500 paise is, how can we 200 paise become 2 rupees, then what will be 500? It will be rupees 5. Understand? 500 paise means 5 into 100 we got 500 paise. Okay, so this kind of things will comes means what you have to do it is just again example, 325 paise we need to convert into rupees. Then what you have to do it is from the right side, from the right end, just take it 2 decimal, 1 2. Okay, from the right end take 2 digits, 1 2. Okay, after that you just put a point here. Okay, Just imagine. Okay, then if you put at that point means this part makes the rupees and this remaining is what? Paise. Okay, like that. What the question we took first, 200 paise, isn't it? So to convert that one, just from the right hand, take 2 digits, 1, 2. Okay, we will get what? Rupees 2. Okay, remaining part is 0, just leave it. Okay, then I will explain what is the importance of remaining. Here there is no other paise, that's why we got only rupees 2, because 200 paise means only rupees 2. But this part will get the importance. It's after the point part get the importance when and I will writing another example. For example, 396 paise, if it is like that. To convert this one, from the right hand take 2 digits, 1, 2, then make a point here, then what you will get? Rupees 3. This part is rupees, then this part remaining after the point part is what? Paise. So rupees 3 rupees 96 paise. Okay, 3 rupees 96 paise. Okay, like that. How what will be this one? 2275 paise. Okay, take from the right hand 1, 2. Okay, just a point here. Okay, then this part before this point. Okay, these numbers are what? 22 is rupees part, and after the point 75 is what? Paise. So this is very simple to convert, isn't it? 22 rupees 75 paise. Like that. 1273. What will be the answer? From you can simply without point you can simply guess, isn't it? 1, 2, then 12 rupees, isn't it? 12 rupees and 73 paise, isn't it? So that's only the things to convert into what? Paise into rupees. Just from the right hand take 2 digits, make a point here. This part before the point digits are rupees part, and after the points are what? Paise part. Then write as 22 rupees 75 paise, like that. Okay, so that's all, dears. Thank you.